Let's make sure your cleaning business is on the right track and we are not making any of these mistakes. Ready? Let's go. Welcome back to Made in Business, where I, your cleaning business bestie, am here to teach you some business skills and show you my mistakes and wins so that you can get to where you want to be faster. And in today's video, we are going to talk about 5 mistakes I see new cleaning business owners make all of the time. Stay tuned to find out how you can avoid making any of these mistakes. Mistake number 1, setting your prices too low. To begin with, setting your prices lower than you see other people advertising on Facebook or Instagram might seem like a winning business formula to take on lots of clients. And while initially that might be true, it is not a long-term strategy whatsoever. A low pricing structure will undermine your business sustainability. You will not be able to carry on or move forward continually with a low selling price, because that means you will be making very tiny margins, which means you're not going to have the money to invest in taking on staff, getting a different qualification, diversifying into a different service, etc. Remember that your services have a value as well as a price that it costs you to put it out there. Ask yourself, what value does your service bring to your clients? So it's because of your cleaning service that your client can play with their child at the weekend, that they can go and take guitar lessons, that they can go out for a bottomless brunch. I always say to my cleaners, you are the 4th emergency service. Without you, nowhere opens. Without cleaners, think about it, nowhere opens. Schools don't open, roads won't open, airports, shopping centres. Cleaners are everywhere. We are an invisible force that keep countries, literal countries, moving. As a domestic cleaner, you give your clients the gift of time. Time is the one thing we all can't buy. It's the one thing we have a finite amount of, and it's something you, as a cleaner, give to clients. That is so valuable that you give people the time to do what they want, because you have taken away from them a mundane, ongoing task that needs to be done to keep our homes hygienic and to keep us healthy. So, well done to you for keeping the country moving. That is value, my friend. What is that value worth? I'm just going to let this quote sink into your brain for a second. Don't charge your worth, charge your value, and learn the difference. Next up, mistake number 2, and this mistake will cost you and will continually kick you in your cleaning business owner's ass until you learn how to not do this anymore. And that is training, and ongoing training after the first training. Not training yourself or your staff on correct cleaning techniques, on speed cleaning techniques, on COSH, on health and safety will lead you to subpar cleaning standards and poor safety management. Therefore, make sure you invest some time and some money in training yourself and your teams. Once you are trained, you can then start to do your operations manual, which is basic terms, a step-by-step guide of how you do things, so that you can train every single cleaner the exact same way that you clean, so that whether your client has Betty or has Sally, they will not know the difference. Your standards will stay at a set level and will always deliver a consistently high standard of service. Mistake number 3 is not valuing marketing in your business, or indeed valuing marketing at all. Lots of people think of marketing as this fluffy thing you just throw up a post on Instagram and all the boys come to the yard. Sadly not. Without effective marketing, your potential customers won't know about your services or about your business. So utilize your social media, your testimonials, and your word of mouth marketing so that the world knows what you do. And if you didn't catch last week's video, I will put it in the description box below, because it was ways that you can get new clients without breaking a sweat. So a little bit of facts and figures for you. Marketing has an average return of 5 to 1. So what that means is for every £1 spent, you should see a return of £5. Businesses that prioritise their marketing are 13 times more likely to have a positive return on investment. And one top tip I will give you is always be marketing. Even if you have a full order book, even if you have a wait list, always be marketing, always be visible. If you have a wait list, great, we can do something about increasing your prices and making more money because you're obviously in demand. There will always be a next thing that we can do, but always please be marketing. Don't rest on your laurels. Don't take on a big contract and think, oh, I've got a big contract. I don't need to do any of that social media stuff anymore. I don't need to do any of that networking stuff anymore. No, we always need to be marketing. Don't put your eggs into one basket. That big company could go pop tomorrow. You never know. Always keep your name and your business and your offers out there in the general public sphere. And if you would like to receive a copy of the slides, you will find them in the private Facebook community. There will be a link in the description. If you would like to receive them by email, as well as a workbook with a little extra something, then please subscribe with the link in the description box. To those already subscribed, you will receive a workbook and a copy of the slides as standard on your roundup email on Sunday. Mistake number 4 I see cleaning business owners make is not getting feedback from their clients and also from their staff. Customer feedback can literally make or break a business, so it is really important to put in practices to get repeat feedback so that you can improve what it is that you're doing, or know that something that you're doing is working super duper well and leave it alone. Customer and staff feedback can be invaluable for growth, and ignoring it will be at your peril. As we have spoke about before on previous videos, using your testimonials is a great way to bring on board new clients within your marketing. Sometimes, however, you will get somebody that will leave a review for no reason whatsoever that will be bad, or you might not even have ever saved that person. If you would like a video of what to do when you are handling negative feedback, be that with a malicious review or with somebody posting nasty comments about you, please drop a sad face in the comments and I'll make that video for you. The next mistake, and the most serious of all the mistakes on the list from today, is not having contracts with both your staff and with your clients. Operating your cleaning business without clear contracts with both your customers and staff can lead to misunderstanding and disputes. So you will have a contract of employment and a handbook for all of your staff, which will detail their hours of work, what they get paid, and what their responsibilities are. You will also have a non-compete clause put into your contract, which will ban your staff from contacting your clients for any work or additional work outside of your business. You will also, for your clients, please get a terms of service if you are domestic, terms of contract if you are commercial, and this will also have a non-compete clause to stop your clients going after your staff or trying to cut you out of the arrangement. The client's contract and terms of service will also detail other things such as payment terms, late fees, lockouts if something's damaged and broken, etc, etc. If I ever teach you one thing from all of the videos, all of the social posts, the blogs, everything I will ever do, let it be this. Cover your arse and then cover your arse some more. If you ask anybody that works for me now or in the past, they will tell you that is my rule number 1 in business. Cover your arse. Yes, people can be nice and good, blah, 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 but we are going to operate on the premise that we might get done over by a client or by a staff member, and we are going to make sure that our arse is so thoroughly covered that neither party will be able to succeed against us. Please have a contract for your staff and have a contract for your client. If you would like to save some time, money, and energy looking for contracts for your clients or for your staff, you can find them in the Made in Business Done For You templates that can be customized to suit your own business. You will find all the Made in Business links that you need in the description box below. If you would like some training to help you build a solid foundation for your business and avoid making some of these mistakes, I got a little something for you. Take a look at the Made in Business 6-day free challenge. What this is it is a email delivered direct to your inbox every day for 6 days, and every day we do a different lesson so that we don't overload the old noodle. And on day 5 we are going to be looking at processes to make money. One of those processes is for client attraction. Another one is how we get paid. So make sure to sign up to the free 6-day email challenge, and you can do that by scanning the QR code just here, or you will find all the links in the description box below. So today's video, we talked about 5 mistakes that cleaning business owners make and how you can do a little something about that to stop them happening in the future. Please put the sad face in the comments if you would like a video on how to handle negative feedback from clients and any other questions or thoughts that you've had. I will see you next Wednesday for a brand new video. Until then, you stay sparkling. Bye bye.